Namaskaram friends. Do you want to know how to score exemption in direct tax law? Do you want to know how to remember 750 plus sections and 1000 plus case laws which will be there in our professional examination? If you are scared about direct tax law because of content which is very vast and the subject itself is a dynamic, because a lot of amendment has taken place in Finance Act 2020 which will make May 21 and November 20 examination more complicated, more challenging, and therefore LearnCap has brought to you a free webinar on 13th December 10:30 am to 12 pm during which you can directly interact with us, and we are going to cover maximum your queries to make learning process more efficient, effective, and definitely an entertaining one which will help you to memorize the subject in the best effective manner. So please register for the free webinar. Not only that, please spread the words with your friends who can take the benefit with you. Thank you.